I think what inspired me to be a teacher was definitely one of my elementary teachers. When I first started elementary school, I didn't know the language, and I was a student that always got sat in the back of the classroom. It was very challenging for teachers to kind of pay attention to me and give me the things that I needed to actually learn. And it wasn't until my teacher, Mrs. Lascon, that she actually sat me in the front of the classroom, and it was kind of like odd to me, like wondering why is she doing this. And she kind of gave me extra work. She would keep me in from recess, and I just wondered, why is she doing that? I actually eventually realized that she was doing it to help me and help me academically. She is the really one that told me that I could be anybody and just be like my fellow classmates. And I felt a lot of gratitude towards her because she actually sparked that curiosity in me. What I would like to believe that my students have learned at the end of the year in my classroom is that learning is a lifelong journey, and that learning is actually fun, and that learning in school can actually evolve you into the person that you're going to be for the rest of your life. I love to do hands-on learning with my students. Almost everything that we do is related to their lives, or I try to make it relatable to their lives so they can have this authentic learning experience. And I hope that my students at the end of the year find learning as being something that's fun and not something that is just needed to be done.